Hi, this is Teacher Deck, and our topic for today is interest. At the end of the class, you should be able to identify the steps in finding the interest in a payment. When you borrow a money from the bank, you must pay a certain amount for using its money. And that is what we call the simple interest. Let's take a look at this example. Mr. Rivera borrows 10,000 from a bank for 1 year. Given that the interest rate is 3%, how much interest does she have to pay for? 3% of 10,000 is equals to 0.03 times 10,000. That is how we will look for the 3% of 10,000. And that is 300 pesos. Therefore, she has to pay an interest of 300 pesos at the end of the year. Let's take a look at this second example. Mr. Santos needed the money to open a shop. He borrowed 2 million pesos for 2 years at a simple interest rate of 8,000 per year. Question letter A is, how much interest does he have to pay? And question letter B is, how much does Mr. Santos have to return after 2 years in total? Let's answer first letter A. We know that he borrowed 2 million pesos and there's an 8% interest. Therefore, we will multiply 0.08 times 2 million. Once you have that, which is 160,000 pesos, we have to multiply it to 2. Why? Because the interest is 8% per year. Therefore, 160,000 for the first year and 160,000 for the second year. So the interest that he has to pay for is 320,000 pesos. Let's go now to the question number 2, which is how much does Mr. Santos have to return after 2 years? So the amount that Mr. Santos has to pay after 2 years is the principal amount that he borrowed plus the total interest. So we have 2 million pesos and 320 pesos, 320,000 pesos, which in total is 2,320,000 after 2 years. I will see you for our sit work. Thank you.